Students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I'm going to teach to 6th English medium, subject social science, chapter number 1, source of history, part 2. Okay students, now we shall start with the theory part of the source of history. Okay, so what you will do, you will make a notebook, and in that notebook you'll write chapter number 1, source of history, the heading. Then you'll write day and date. Okay, day and date is necessary. When did you write the theory part? That is very much necessary. So you're going to write day and date and chapter's name, that is chapter number 1, source of history. Then you will write question number 1, then you will write A, and then you will write choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. You will write in this manner as it is written in the written over here. So choose the correct alternative from those given below. Over here, what does this means? That a question will be given and 4 options will be given to you, and from the 4 options, whichever answer is right, that answer you need to write it out. So the first one now over here, sources like pictures, objects or coins give information about which of the following, that is which sources like pictures, object, coins give information about which of the following. 4 options are being given. So time, B history, C country, and D, that is film. What do it give? The old sources, what do pictures, object shows us? That is answer is B history. What is the answer? B history. Okay, now the second one, which script is mainly found on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra? Okay, we have seen that which script is mainly found on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Okay, the option A is Sadhu Khadi, Bhojpuri, Audhi, or that is Pandu. So which script is found on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra? Answer is Pandu. Pandu script is found is in mainly found in Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Second one, that is third one now. By which name are the articles curved on metal or stone known as? Okay, now what they are saying, that say we saying over here, by which name are the articles curved on metal or stone known as? Okay, and what is the option? A inscription, INCSRIPTION, inscription, metal writing, stone writing, and the answer is A, that is inscription. Okay. Okay, now the fourth one. By which name will you know the person knowing the Asian history? Matlab, like a person knowing the Asian history, by which name we can call that person? As the A option is linguistic, B option is sociologist, then C option is archaeologist, or D option is historian. Okay, the person knowing the history is said to be as, answer is what? That is historian. Okay, and the person who knows the history is known as what? That is knowing about the history. That person is said to be as historian. So how will spell historian? HISTORIAN, historian. Okay, then the fifth one. In which city is Sri Hemand Acharya Library situated? Hemchandra Acharya Library situated. Okay, they are saying that in which city is the Hemchandra Acharya Library situated? Option A is Ahmedabad. AHMEDABAD, Ahmedabad. B RAJKOT, Rajkot. Then Varodara, B P-A-R-O-D-A, Vadodara, and D, that is P-A-T-A-N, Patan. So over here the answer is Patan. What is the answer? That is Patan. In Patan, the Hemachandra Acharya Library is situated. Okay, students? So, we have completed with what? That is with the MCQ part. Now we will move on with question number B. That is filling in the blanks with proper words or figures in the following statements. Okay, filling in the blanks, that means a question will be given, and in that statement will be given to you, and in that statement one blank will be given, and you need to fill up the blank. You need to do that. Okay, the first one over here now. To understand the present information of the of dash is necessary. To understand the present information, to understand the present information of dash is necessary. To understand the present information of the past is necessary. Okay, to understand the present situation we even need to know what? That is past. Okay. Now the second one. Information related to history is available from that is collection books. How can you know the information of the history? That is from the collection of books. COLLECTION book. That is the blank, you need to complete it. Okay, students, now the made from different pictures of an article. Then the third one, the information and pictures of event of 20th century published in December 2000 by most of the newspaper is named as Millennium Gallery. What it has been known as? Millennium Gallery. Then the fourth one, the special tree named as what? That is Bhoj, are found on the dash mountains. It is found on which mountains? That is Himalayan mountains. Okay, the special tree named as Bhoj are only found where? In the Himalayan mountains. So you need to fill up the blank, that is Himalayans. Okay, next. The samples of Bhojpatra and Tadpatra are available in government dash. Okay, the samples of Bhojpatra and Tadpatra are available in government. Answer will be museum. What will be the answer? Museum. MUSEUMS. Museums. Then the third one, the place where inscriptions are preserved is known as dash. Okay, the place where inscriptions are preserved, 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 is KNOWN, known as dash. It is known as what? That is archives. The place where inscriptions are preserved is known as archives. RACHIVES, archives. Okay, now we'll move on to the seventh one. The dash museum is located at Gujarat Vidyapith, Ahmedabad. Okay, which museum is located at Gujarat Vidyapith, Ahmedabad? That is Tribal. TRIBAL. Tribal is the answer. Then the eighth one, the institution, INSTITUTION, institution named LD Institution of Technology is in Ahmedabad city. The institution named LD Institution of Technology Indology is in Ahmedabad city. Okay, what will be the answer? That is Ahmedabad. Next, now question number 2a. State whether the following statements are true or false. Whether spelling WHETHER, whether. Then following FOLLOWING, following statement STATEMENTS, statements. Then TRUE, true. FALSE, false. Okay, now we'll move on to the first one. Now true or false. Okay, so what overview one statement will be given, and what you need to do, that you need to say that if the statement is right, so you'll write true, and if the statement is false, you'll write false. Okay, the first one now. After passage, PASSAGE, passage of time, comma, the events which occurred in the past become the incident of the present. Okay, the incident which are occurred in past, can they said to be as incident of present? No. So the answer is what? That is false. The answer is what? That is false. Second one. It is necessary, NECESSARY, necessary to have the knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge of present, to understand the past. Okay, what should be what they're saying over here? It is necessary to have the knowledge of present to understand the past? No, we should have knowledge of past to understand what? That is the present. So the statement is false. Okay, then the third one. Some people have the habit of preparing, preparing collection, COLLECTION, collection book of different pictures and articles. Okay, so I like some people have an habit of collecting books of different pictures and articles. So yeah, many people have that type of habit. So the statement is right. So what we will write, true or false? The answer is true. Okay, now the fourth one. The information, that is INFORMATION, information about the past can be obtained from the script, that is SCRIPT, script, written, WRITTEN, written on Tadpatra, TADPATRA, Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. The information about the past can be obtained from the script written on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Yes, we can obtain easily the information of past. I said that the Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, they were said to be very important patras from which we were able to know the administrations of the king, which king was ruling at that time. Even the treaties were signed on Tadpatra, right? So it is right. The Tadpatra and Bhojpatra gave the information about the past. So the answer is true. Now the fifth one. Script written before many years have been destroyed due to earthquake. Okay, the script which was been written in the past are destroyed because of earthquake. No, and the statement is false. What is the statement? Answer is false. Why the answer is false? Because the script which was written many years ago were destroyed not because of earthquake. It was destroyed because it was eaten by the insects, because the script was written on the wooden plate, that is Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. So it was being destroyed by the insects. So this statement is wrong. So answer will be what? That is false. Okay, now the next one, that is the fourth one. The samples of Bhojpatra, sample spelling SAMPLES, sample of Bhojpatra and Tadpatra are available, AVAIABLE, available in the government museum, MUSEMUS, museum. Okay, sample of Bhojpatra and Tadpatra are not available in the museum. They are available in the government archives, right? So the answer is false. Seventh one. The National Archive is situated in Delhi. Yes, the answer is right. These archives are situated where? That is in Delhi. So the answer is true. Okay, the eighth one. The Asian utensils, that is UTENSILS, utensils of clay, weapons of stones and ornaments found out during excavation, 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 are very useful in knowing the eating habits of people of that period. Okay, that what they're saying, that the utensils which were found during ornaments and weapons of stones, ornaments which were found by excavation, okay, they are very much useful in showing that the eating habits of the people of that period. No. Okay, utensils can show like people, how were people, in what people were making the food, but it is not showing the eating habit of the people of the past. Okay, so the answer is what? That is false. Now we'll move on to question number 2B, that is match the pairs correctly. What is the heading? Match the pairs correctly. Now section A, see, section A you need to write, and you need to write section B. Okay, and over here section B, it has been given, and you write, question will be given, and in section B, A question will be given, in section B you need to write what? That is the right answer. So right answers are been written over here. Okay, and in this manner only you need to write it out, students. Okay, and in exam it may be asked up and down, but in this but over here the question and even the answer has been written, the right answer has been written. So you need to learn in the you need to write in this manner. The first one, day to day event is, that is daily newspaper. Daily newspaper show us day to day event. Then second one, pictures, objects or coin give us knowledge of history. They give us knowledge of what? That is history. Then the third one, tree name Bhoj, where it is found? That is in Himalayas. Then the fourth one, writing carved on metal or stone is said to be as what? That is inscription. Okay, the students, you need to write all these theory in your notebook in a neat and tidy manner and in a perfect manner. Okay,